Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by opening the photo and immediately duplicating the background layer so you never edit the original. Once done, check image size and set resolution appropriate to output, 72 dpi for screen or 300 dpi for print. Make a PSD working copy and rename the layer for clarity. Next, crop to composition using the crop tool, drag to frame subject and press enter. This establishes a safe editable base and correct canvas dimensions before detailed edits. You now perform tonal and color corrections so the image reads clearly. Start with image adjustments levels or curves to balance shadows, midtones, and highlights. Move sliders subtly to avoid clipping. Once tonal balance is set, correct color with hue/saturation or color balance if needed. For blemishes and dust, create a new layer and use the clone stamp and healing brush at 50-75% opacity to maintain texture. Finally, apply unsharp mask with low radius to sharpen edges without producing halos. You finish by saving layered work as a PSD, then export a flattened copy for sharing. File save as or save for web, choose JPEG or PNG, select sRGB for web images, and set quality/compression to balance size and fidelity. Make sure final dimensions match intended use. If artifacts appear, like halos from over-sharpening or banding after contrast boosts, undo sharpening, reduce amount, or convert to 16-bit if available and rework adjustments to smooth transitions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.